Hey, what's up, heroes? This is House Ninja, and I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to roll a t-shirt for your merchandise table. So at the end of a show, you've got people coming up and they want to purchase merchandise, they want to meet you, and you want things to go as smoothly as possible. So here's how you stay organized. First of all, you want to roll your t-shirts, and you start by creating about a 4-inch cuff at the bottom of the t-shirt. You can eyeball that. This is going to become important later on for holding that shirt together as it bangs around in your trunk during your tours. Next, you're going to take a dollar bill, or in this case a $5 bill, because that's how I roll. Put it in there, and that gives you about a 6-inch guide. We're going to fold one side over, and if you're dealing with a larger t-shirt or even this small size, we're going to fold the sleeve back in towards the outside. Now we're going to repeat this process on the other side of the t-shirt, like that. Try to minimize the number of wrinkles that you've got. And now we're going to take this side that has the pouch and we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So obviously this whole process works best if you're on a nice, smooth, hard surface. Next, we're going to start rolling, kind of pushing with our thumbs, trying to minimize the number of wrinkles that you have so you can give your fans a nice wrinkle-free t-shirt. Roll all the way to the end, and you'll notice that your pouch is still here, and you'll feel the crinkle from your bill. Take your money back, and now, see the pouch here? We're going to stick our fingers in, and we're going to pull that back over the t-shirt. And that gives you a nice burrito t-shirt, which is very easy to pack, stays wrinkle-free. And in order to stay organized, I like to use a sticky note with the size, and I will even color code my rubber bands. Blue is for small, like that. And then this goes eventually into a plastic tub with all my other merchandise. So it's very easy to identify. Now, a couple of pro tips. If you're, you should be able to accept cash or credit cards. For cash, it's a good idea to price all your merchandise in $5 increments. And the reason that is that the $20 bill is the most common bill in circulation in the United States. So if you can keep everything in $5 increments, then it makes it much easier for you to provide change. Also consider package deals, CD plus t-shirt. People love to get a deal. Your fans will appreciate that too, and being able to support you better. And then the other thing is the credit cards. Make sure you've got some way to accept credit card payments with you on your cell phone. Square has a good reader, so does eBay. Pick one that works for you. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If it was, please like, please subscribe, and leave a comment at the bottom. Let me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. So with that, House Ninja out. Thanks.